For Tuesday, north winds 10 to 20 knots. Slight chance of showers through the day. Waves 3 to 5 feet, occasionally to 7 feet. For Tuesday night, north winds 5 to 10 knots. Mostly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Waves 2 to 4 feet. And for Wednesday, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Sunny. Waves around 1 foot. And now for the nearshore marine forecast. For waters within 5 nautical miles of shore on Lake Michigan, from Gary, Indiana to Michigan City, Indiana. For tonight, northwest winds around 15 knots. Slight chance of rain early in the evening. Winds 1 to 3 feet. For Tuesday, north winds 10 to 20 knots. Slight chance of showers. Waves 3 to 5 feet, occasionally to 7 feet. For Tuesday night, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Waves 3 to 5 feet, occasionally to 7 feet. And for Wednesday, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Sunny. Winds around 1 foot.
The Lake Michigan forecast for Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Bentwater, Michigan, southwest of tonight. North winds 10 to 20 knots. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Tuesday, north winds 15 to 25 knots. Waves building to 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet. Tuesday night, north winds 10 to 20 knots, becoming northwest 10 to 15 knots. Waves 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet, subsiding to 1 to 3 feet late. Wednesday, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots, becoming south 15 to 25 knots. Waves 2 to 4 feet, building to 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet late. Wednesday night, southwest winds to 30 knots. Waves 5 to 8 feet, occasionally to 10 feet. Thursday, southwest winds to 30 knots, becoming west 15 to 25 knots. Chance of showers. Waves 5 to 8 feet, occasionally to 10 feet. Thursday night, west winds 15 to 25 knots. Slight chance of showers. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Friday, west winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming southwest. Slight chance of showers. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Saturday, south winds to 30 knots. Slight chance of rain. Waves 3 to 5 feet, occasionally to 7 feet. Wave forecast is for ice-free areas.
You are listening to NOAA's Weather Radio, KX41, serving the north and northwest suburbs, including Woodstock, Libertyville, and Eugene. The current time is 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For this afternoon and tonight, river levels will remain elevated on the Kankakee River. And now the extended outlook for the period Tuesday through Sunday. There is a slight chance of thunderstorms across northern Illinois on Saturday night. River levels will remain elevated on the Kankakee River. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be necessary through tonight.
And now for the regional weather summary. A storm system brought light to moderate rain east of Interstate 57 on Monday, which kept temperatures in those areas in the upper 40s to around 50. The rest of the area warmed to the mid and upper 50s, with low 60s along and west of Interstate 39. The exception was temperatures in the mid 40s to around 50 on the lakefront due to northeast winds. An upper-level disturbance will touch off rain showers Monday evening over northwest and north-central Illinois, which will be low spread west of Interstate 39. As the upper disturbance pushes east on Tuesday, isolated to scattered showers are possible. High temperatures will range from the low and mid-50s well away from Lake Michigan to mid-40s to around 50 closer to the lake. Southwest winds and mostly sunny skies will bring a nice warm up to the upper 50s and lower 60s on Wednesday. A cold front will cross the area on Thursday, with rain showers possible ahead of the front. A warm start to the day will allow highs to reach the 60s area-wide. The air mass behind the cold front will not cool much, so highs are expected to reach the 60s again on Friday. At 8 p.m. in Chicago, O'Hare was cloudy. The temperature was 47 degrees. The dew point was 24, and the relative humidity was 40%. The wind was north at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.61 inches and steady. Elsewhere around the region, at Madison, Wisconsin, rain was falling with a temperature of 50. It was 47 at Chicago's lakefront. It was cloudy with a temperature of 46 at Waukegan, 48 at DuPage Airport, 48 at DeKalb, and 53 at Rockford. Under cloudy skies, Burlington, Wisconsin reported 46, Milwaukee, Wisconsin reported 49, Moline reported 56, and Bloomington reported 46.